So when you go ahead and upload out a media inside of wordpress.com, what actually happens is that several versions of those particular images in, let's say, small view, medium, and large view actually is created. So what you can also do is you can define those particular sizes so that that particular resolution is used in your website that you have host from wordpress.com. So to do that, you need to go around under settings right here and then go to media. And once you go around onto media, you can see the thumbnail size that is there by default. So usually you don't actually need to go ahead and change these, but let's say for example you want the thumbnail size to be a bit bigger, like let's say for example 200 by 200 pixels, then you can simply go ahead and set it out. Similarly, you can set the medium size as well, let's say for example, and let's for the larger size, let's just go around onto 1500 by 1500 right here. So once I go ahead and do that, what actually happens is that whenever I upload an image, these three versions will be created right there. And similarly for the carousel as well, you can see that you can enable or disable the carousel in slideshow and choose the background color for it and then change around other settings as well. So if I were to go ahead and save the changes majorly in the media settings right here now, these particular sizes now becomes the main standard, and whenever you upload, those particular sizes will be there, and whenever you add it in your post, those particular sizes will be embedded by default. And that is how you can change around the media settings inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.